So I've just finished up the fret dress on this Billy Bow guitar. So this is kind of a different body shape. And this is another example where we use the two short straps to grab that center pin at the end and hold those weird shaped bodies like this one and Explorers. There's all kinds of them out there now. And that kind of holds it center on the body platform of the Tech Deck while we do our thing. All right, the Billy Bow is done. So there's our compensated nut. Sorry to bring it a little closer there. That's the compensated nut for the 10 to 46 strings for the scale length. And this is the guitar. So check out this body shape. Man, there's a horse of a different color. Volume for the neck pickup, volume for the bridge pickup and master tone, and then a master volume and a three-way switch. These are TV Jones pickups. Might be a little weird looking, but it's a nice guitar. Plays great, sounds great. From what I understand, this was designed by the man himself, Billy Gibbons, in conjunction with Gretsch. And this is what they came up with. That rosewood foot actually indexes into the top. They got a couple of spring pins there, which is a great idea. I wicked some Loctite or liquid nylon in to tighten up those saddles. They were kind of schlocking around it. So this will help the intonation hold rock steady. And there's our tail piece, big chunk of chrome. There's our input jack, the bridge, the TV Jones pickups, and that master volume's recessed into the pickguard, and a three-way switch. Pretty straightforward. Well, I do have to get back in the workshop, but I wanted you to at least hear this guitar before it goes, so I'll do a quick little demo. So I've just looped this progression. So I'm going to let that play and then just blow over top. So these are the TV Jones pickups. We got a three-way switch, typical Les Paul setup, right? And as I pointed out earlier, the controls are volume for neck pickup, volume for bridge pickup, master tone. So everything's wide open at this point, and this is just a master volume here, which is convenient. Kind of let into the pickguard. A little different. Okay, so I'll let that play. Back off the tone. Thank